Before the sun fully rises, the ocean awakens with us. The waves gently call, and the air is crisp with salt. Every morning, we prepare ourselves for the sea, just as our mothers and grandmothers did before us. The ocean has been our home for generations. We take a deep breath and enter the water. The colder the temperature, the deeper we must go. Controlling our breath is essential. A single dive lasts between 30 seconds to a minute, sometimes longer. At depths of 5 to 10 meters, we search for abalone, conch, and sea cucumbers. We spend an average of 6 hours in the water, diving repeatedly throughout the day. We move slowly. To hold our breath longer, we must conserve energy. Over time, we learn to stay underwater for longer periods. Abalone and conch cling tightly to the rocks. If removed too forcefully, they can be damaged, reducing their value. We use a traditional metal tool to carefully extract them. When we surface, we release our breath in a sharp, whistling sound known as 숨비소리. This is how we expel the remaining air from our lungs, allowing us to take in fresh oxygen for the next dive. 숨비소리 is not just a sound, it is a survival skill passed down through generations. As the sun sets, we return to shore. The weight of the ocean is still on our bodies. Our wetsuits are still damp, and we move slowly, but we are content. Another day in the sea has ended. At home, we prepare our equipment for tomorrow. Wetsuits hang in the breeze, gloves are cleaned, and our tools are carefully placed for the next day. The ocean leaves its mark on everything. Every day, we return to the sea. It gives and it takes. We do not fight it. We listen, we respect, and we move with its rhythm. This is the life of a Hyung.